your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby, squeeze me.
All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. So my hair has been stretched, and I will put the shampoo and conditioners that I use down below. I'm going to be using the Curl Lala to set my hair in this Bantu knots. So you guys know my love for the Curl Lala. It smells so good. It is a custard, not a cream, not a gel, and it provides a lot of moisture. So I am just going to go ahead and untwist my hair. Good thing about starting off in sections is that it helps you to move along through this long process quite fast. But I'm gonna definitely make sure that I focus that product on the ends of my hair, because if you guys read my tips on how to create the perfect Bantu knot out, then you know that I focus on the ends. So I'm gonna go ahead and, after applying the product, twist my hair into a finger coil, if you will. Apply more product at the end. You definitely want to make sure those ends are nice and moisturized, nice and smooth. And then I'm just going to start wrapping my hair into the knot. Now, you don't have to do this extremely tight. If you want to, you can kind of loosen it up a little bit by twisting it in the opposite direction with the hand that you're not twisting in. And you'll see me do that as I go along, because I didn't want too much tension on the roots of my hair. So I'm just going to continue to wrap and make sure that I tuck those ends really well. And usually, if you guys have seen me or been here for a while, you know that I apply a bobby pin. But anytime that I do it on stretched dry hair, it does stay a little bit easier. It doesn't unravel as much. But with my natural hair totally wet, and it's kind of silky, and it starts to unravel on me. So when it's dry and stretched, I don't really have to use the bobby pins to secure it. It does stay on its own. So I'm just repeating those same steps. I applied my product, focused it on the ends. During this whole process, I'm making sure that my hair is staying detangled, because it's nothing like unraveling your Bantu knots and you have to deal with tangles. So you definitely want to make sure that your hair is detangled through this process. So you guys, I'm going to chime in anytime I need to tell you guys something, but go ahead and watch and see how I do this. All right, now that I've installed all of my Bantu knots, I'm just gonna go ahead and let them dry. Initially, I was gonna let them dry for 5 or 6 hours, but I got tired and I went to bed. So I did let these dry overnight. And I'm going to be using the Aunt Jackies Fix My Hair Argan Oil. And I love this oil, okay? It's not too thick, so it won't weigh your hair down. But you can definitely tell that my Bantu knots are dry because they took the shape of the Bantu knot very well. And also, guys, keep in mind that I love my makeup so much the day before that I did it the same exact way. So yeah, this is the following morning. But I am just going to take my time when taking these Bantu knots down. I want to keep my hands coated with that oil and just take my time so that I can get maximum definition. Now, for me, personally, I love to separate a lot because I like fullness. So I am just separating a whole bunch. Each section I'm separating to the max, okay? There will be some frizz, but it's okay. Frizz is good, okay? Frizz adds volume, and we like volume. So just watch and see how I do this, you guys. I'm going to take my time and unravel all of these Bantu knots. Now that I've unraveled all of my Bantu knots, I'm just going to be taking my pick and adding height and volume, getting rid of those parts, basically styling my hair the way that I want it to look. My hair is so moisturized with the Curl Lala. Oh my goodness, you guys. And it has a great hold to it. I like to use the Curl Lala on my dry hair. It just adds so much moisture. But the moisture is like heightened when you add water to it. So it does work well on dry hair as well. As you can see, my hair is very defined. It doesn't look dry. My ends, oh my gosh, my ends are perfect, okay? Even though I need a trim, the way that I tuck them and the product that I used just has them looking so great. So this is my final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check the description box for information on my tips and tricks on how to get your perfect Bantu knot out. Let me know what you think about the Curl Lala. Have you tried it? And I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye.